Hello, to solve this nice exponential equation, let us take the value of 4 to be equal to 2 multiplied by 2, and that will be equal to 2 to the power of 2, right? We are also going to take the value of 16 to be equal to 2 to the power of 4. That way, we can be able to simplify this exponential equation. Now let's substitute that into the full expression. If we substitute that, we'll have 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by, this is going to give us, since it's 4, is going to give us 2 to the power of 2, all multiplied by x, and this will be equal to 16, which is 2 to the power of 4. Great. Now, recall a law of indices that if you have a to the power of x multiplying y, this can be equal to a to the power of xy. So if we have that, that expression will change, and the expression will now give us 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 2 to the power of 2x, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Now, do you notice something? That they all have one common base. And since they have one common base, I want you to recall two laws of indices. If you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x minus y. Also, if you have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, then x can be equal to y, as long as they have one common base. So bearing that in mind, the next thing we'll do is to simplify that expression. So that expression is now going to give us 2, considering the first part, 2x squared minus 2 to the power of minus 2x, that will be minus 2x, because we have this expression here as 2x, and that will be equal to 2 to the power of 4. Great. So considering the other law of indices, this expression, since we have common base, will equate the power. So that will give us 2x squared minus 2x, and that will be equal to 4. So taking that, we are going to subtract 4 from both sides, and that will give us 2x squared minus 2x minus 4, and this will be equal to 0. So if we do that, we are going to simplify this by dividing all through by 2. We divide all through by 2, we're going to see that that expression will now become x squared minus x minus 2, and this will be equal to 0. Now recall or note that this is a quadratic expression. So we need to solve this expression using the quadratic formula. Now we have this to become negative 1, right? So we're going to look for two things we are going to multiply with that will give us minus 2, and when we add, it's going to give us negative 1. What are those two expressions? We have 2 and what? And 1. So looking at these two expressions, you come to see that for us to have a negative 1 as an addition, the 2 has to take the negative value, while the 1 has to take the positive value. But minus 2 times plus 1 will give us minus 2. So the two expression is going to be x minus 2, right? And then we'll have our x plus 1, and this will be equal to 0. Now, having gotten to this point, this gives us a zero product rule, and in the first case, x minus 2 will be equal to 0, and considering the second case, x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So from here, if we add 2 to both sides, we'll have x to be equal to 2. as the first solution to that expression. While on this side, if we subtract 1 from both sides, our x will be equal to -1, which is the second solution to that expression. Now, having gotten this expression, we have come to see that the value of our x is equal to 1 and -1 respectively. So that is the solution to that exponential equation given to us. But then we'll have to check to see if our solution is right. Now let's go back to that initial question that is given to us. From the question, we can find that 2 to the power of 2x squared divided by 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. So from the first case, we are going to take the value of our x to be equal to 2. Now let's check. With the value of our x equal to 2, what will that expression give us? We're going to have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2, or what? Square, divided by 4 to the power of 2. Now if we simplify this, is it going to give us 16? Let's find out. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So we're going to have this to become, that's 1 to become 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 to the power of 2. Now this expression will now give us 2 to the power of 2 is 8. So 2 to the power of 4 times 2 is 8. This will give us 8 divided by 4 to the power of 2. So that expression is going to give us 2 to the power of 8 is going to give us 2, 5, 6, right? And this will be divided by 16. So if we simplify this, we're going to have that expression to now give us 2, 5, 6 divided by 16 will be equal to 16. So you see, 16 is equal to 16, which tells us that x equal to 2 is a solution to that exponential equation. Now let's take our mind back to the second solution. The second solution, we're given x equal to 1. Now from the second solution, our x is equal to -1. So that expression will now give us 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by -1 all squared divided by 4 to the power of -1. So if we simplify that, that expression will now give us, will it give us 16? Let's find out. -1 square is going to give us -1 times -1. So -1 times negative will give us positive. So we're going to have that to become 2 to the power of 2 divided by, and this is going to give us 1 divided by 4. So that expression will give us 2 to the power of 2 is going to give us what? 4. And when you simplify this, that will be 4 multiplied by 4. Is it going to give us 16? Of course, 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. Remember, if this comes up here, this will become 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 1. And that is how we arrived at 4 multiplied by 1. So 16 is equal to 16, and that tells us that the value of x equal to -1 is also a solution to that exponential equation given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Do like, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.